Alright, my bad, guys. Let's go. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, yeah, my bad, guys. Getting started a bit late here today. About, 6 minutes late. Yeah, my bad, guys. Had a little trouble getting set up with a TA today, but that is done. So, my bad. So, thank you guys for bearing with me. We're all good now. So, let's get started with the show. Alright, what up, everyone? What up, Wen, Swirls, and Koya? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey! What's up?
Thank you guys for being here. Appreciate you guys as always. Alright. So today is Wednesday, October 12th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And today we're doing the show from Ramenistan. Yep, back to it. So we had what? 1.5 days of green. And, yep. Right back in the red. Excuse me, still a little sick, guys. So, most of the day, this was in the green. So, Power Hour does not appear like it was too good. Because when I was getting set up for the show, it was in the green. So, yeah, I'm looking here. Really since 2:30, it started selling off. So, we finished in the red here. Slightly in the red. So, slightly bearish day here. In the stock market, at least. I didn't see how crypto did. But, hopefully that's not that bad. Okay. Let's see. Got my puts ready for rally tomorrow to inverse me. You got puts win? I don't know, dude. Should have bought calls. Because then it would come down. And that's what us Rainbow Bears want. But, alright. Yeah, so you're Team Rainbow Bear right now. I hope you're right. Because, if you're not right, we're all going to get wrecked. I already got wrecked today. We'll get to that in a second. Puffing that magic dragon, huh? I'm not sure what magic dragon is. I think I can figure it out. If I'm correctly guessing what you're talking about, yes, but not during the shows. That's usually after. What up, Eddie, and what up these days?
Hey, hey, hey! What's up?
Thank you guys for being here. Appreciate you guys as always. Alright, so I'm looking at IMUX right now. I don't know what the hell happened. It came all the way back and actually finished in the green here. So that's really not good at all. So I think I'm going to give this like one more day. And if it doesn't go good, I may have to cut this. Because this is getting really bad. So we'll keep an eye on this in the aftermarket, but there is some crazy price action right now. And the APDN as well. That one is going pretty bad on me right now. So I'm down like 1.5k on both of those. So 3k in total. Not good. And here, the first siren of the day. So gotta talk over it. My apologies, guys. Alright. Puff the magic dragon. I ain't that old, dude. But I think I know what you are referring to. We're getting slaughtered. Yeah, it has not been a good week for Rainbow Bears. Really not a good week for anyone, I don't think. Everyone's getting wrecked. So, yeah. Monday wasn't too bad, but yesterday and today has been pretty bad. Especially for me. I don't know about the rest of you guys. But you guys did double down on IMUX, which I didn't. That's why I don't like to double down. I'm not saying it's a bad thing to do, but, you can get into pretty messed up situations. Anyway, so, yeah, so we'll keep an eye on that. But I may cut that tomorrow or soon, depending on how it goes. It is not looking good. What up, Ken? What's up? Never heard a song Puff the Magic Dragon, you young kids? I mean, it sounds really familiar. Probably did hear it. I just, can't like put a name to the song. What's up with AGFY? It's on my radar, but didn't pull the trigger. Wow. All right, we'll look at AGFY once we switch the screen here. How long have you held for something for a reversal? I've held pretty long time. Held for months, but not saying you should. I used to, but nowadays I'd rather just take the loss and move on rather than, bag holding for months at a time. But I have held through some pretty, like, price-wise, I've held through some pretty bad stuff. I've held through, like 200, 300% losses before, and it came back down. So I'm not, really panicking just yet, but this is getting pretty bad, and I can see how, some of you less experienced traders, how this can be nerve-wracking. So, hang in there, guys, but not gonna lie, we may have to cut this one if it keeps going bad. It is not looking good. Alright, guys. So, yeah, Reminiscent today for everyone. Bears, Bulls. And regardless, got a great show for you guys today. So, as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. We have 4 articles today. One about Mango, which is a crypto hack. Another crypto hack. Every day with another crypto hack. So we'll cover that. Pretty big hack, too. One about Coinbase and Singapore. One about the Fed's minutes, which came out today. And tomorrow's CPI. And then one quick article about the Treasury yields, which is like boring boomer stuff. But, pretty important stuff there. So we'll go over that. And then today, for the TA, we're going to do AVCT, American Virtual Cloud Tech, which we've been covering quite a bit lately, but that was the major price action today. Major loser. Got some news there. The TA shouldn't take too long. There's not too much TA on that. Should be pretty straightforward. A lot different from the last times we analyzed that. And then we'll get to the Yolos. And not so many Yolos today. I think we only have let me check. We actually have 9 Yolos today. So, decent amount of Yolos. But that shouldn't take too long. So, yeah, guys. I'm thinking today maybe we go hour and a half to 2 hours, depending on how many people coming in chat. It seems like there is a decent amount of people already. So, we'll see how it goes. But today's show shouldn't take too long. So, appreciate everyone for being here. And let's begin. After I blow my nose. What up, Mitchell? What's up? And everyone who came in.
Hey. What's up?
Ugh. Alright, Mitchell says, Todd, we going to Vegas, bro. Hey, you're going to Vegas. Well, you said if it's 20, right? So, not yet. But, yeah, so you're still diamond handing that MMTLP. Congrats, dude. It is going nuts right now. So, I'm glad someone in the community is making money because most of us are getting wrecked lately this week. So, congrats to you, Mitchell. And I'm glad you're back. It's been a while. So, I'm glad you've been back here. Pretty much daily. Got it. Just feel like IMUX is bad, but I don't want to cut it. I mean, if you look at the chart, it always comes down. Well, not always, but most of the time, yes. And, yeah, it just comes down to how long can the Rainbow Bears stay solvent, So, I think my risk tolerance is pretty high, but even for me, this is like getting a bit ridiculous. So I'm gonna keep a close eye on this. I mean, IMUX always seems to dump. Yeah, again, generally speaking, it should dump, but you never know. And in hindsight, we should have covered and then re-shorted down. But yep, tough spot right now. What's that name? What's that guy's name in the meme? It's Carlos Matos. Matos. Carlos Matos. Legend. He lives in the Bronx, and one day I will have him on the show. I will interview that guy. That is a promise. Okay. So I appreciate everyone for being here. Let's get started. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarty Gambling Show. Uh-oh, I'm UX hitting... It looks like 10 is some critical resistance right now. So this may go really bad if we hit 10 here, but we'll check it out right now. Oops, hold up. Actually, we should start with Market Chameleon anyway. Oh, nothing there. Alright. So, yeah, let's look at IMUX right now. I don't know what happened here at the end of the day, but look at this. This is crazy. Major selling pressure, all pre-market. Then it ran up in the beginning of the day, then sold off, and then just all this buying pressure. Up, 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 right back. And just like yesterday, the close, during, like, right before the close, it ran up so high. What is that? It's like right before closing. 5 minutes before close. Everyone starts covering. And now it's doing some crazy stuff here in the aftermarket. Some pretty volatile trading. Kind of looks like a bull flag. It's kind of scary, not going to lie. But yeah, we'll keep an eye on this. I don't know, guys. If this keeps up tomorrow, I may have to cut this. This is getting a bit too much. So diamond balls for now, but I don't know. It's getting to be a lot. Alright, so let's do a quick scan. See if there's any live rainbow bearing to be done. I sure hope so, because I didn't make any plays today, and I just lost a ton of money. You know, so it's one thing if you're losing money and you have plays to, like, make up for your losses. But today I didn't even make any plays. I just bled all day. So, yeah, this week's been pretty rough. Alright, anything going on here? DXF. Not seeing too much. Not seeing anything, actually. So, yep. Still nothing going on aftermarket. Huh. Right, there's QDEL going up a little bit. But nothing that crazy. So keep an eye on that. Yeah, it's really nothing that crazy. Yep, nothing going on yet. So keep an eye on this. And I sure hope so. I sure hope something does happen. I need some plays right now. Oh, there's this. Oh, never mind. Alright, so let's start off with my plays today. Unfortunately. Let's see here. Finger. Out of this. And Lucy I'm pretty mad about. And also Beat. I didn't go for Beat, but that went down 20%. I should have went for that. And Lucy went down 9% today, 9.6. And I covered pretty much at the high. So yeah, really, really not good. Pretty much everything that could have went wrong today. But yeah, let's check it out. Gotta take a quick drink first, actually. AGFY may be at its peak. Oh, my... my bad. Forgot to look at that. We'll look at that after we got through my plays today. What was the guy's name who traded MMAT with me last year? A bunch of us did. It was me. There was Joe. There was Marvin. Maybe Zach was in there. I don't remember. But I know a bunch of us were in MMAT and Clover. Those were good times. Hi, do you have any long positions or bullish on anything? Yeah. I only hold SPY and Bitcoin. And the other things I really would go long on are like index funds and ETFs. So the only thing I'm bullish on is in my IRA. And yes, I just hold Bitcoin and SPY. So now is actually a good time to load up on both of those. So I'll be putting some more money in before the year ends so I can write it off. But yeah, I'm not long any individual stocks, just index funds and ETFs, specifically Bitcoin and SPY. Well, Bitcoin's not an ETF or index fund, but I'm pretty bullish Bitcoin. Marvin, all right, cool. All right, guys. So let's do my plays for today. I think there was more than this. One, two, three, four. I'm missing one here. No, I'm not. Okay. All right, so only 4 plays. So first one, FSI. So I've been holding this one for a while now, a couple of weeks. Yep, I had it with this one. I covered at 3. So in for 246, out for 3. That was about a $500 loss, I think, somewhere around there. So, ideally I would have liked to held longer, but there's very low float. It doesn't trade much, not much volume. And it's just taking forever to come back down. So, covered at 3. I'll just take the loss. Should never have went for that one. That was a mistake. FNGR. This is a crazy stock. So I'm actually in the red now on FNGR. And I'm about to get stopped out. Isn't that crazy? So I'm in for 870. This went all the way down to 5. I was up 40%. $800. But I got too greedy. Did not think it would come back all the way up to $9. So when I was up 800, I'm actually down 100. And the chart is crazy. I'm still holding. But if this hits 10, I set a stop loss for 10. Which is probably going to hit. Let's be real. So crazy swing there. Down 290 on that today. So yeah, I was up 200, down 290 today. So overall, I'm down 100 on Finger today. Or overall, I'm down 100 on Finger now. APDN went really bad today. So was in this for a couple days. This one pulled the IMUX and moved 31% today. Down $910 there. And down 1.5k in total now. IMUX just broke 10. Not good. And yeah, so that, and then now IMUX, crazy stock, went down below $8 today, ran all the way back up. I don't know what's up, but a lot of these stocks are squeezing right now. So yeah, I'm down quite a bit there. I'm down like 80% on that now. I'm in for 570, and now it's at $10. So yeah, it took quite a beating today. Down like 1500 today. So I was down like 1400 yesterday, down another 1400 today. So yeah, I lost like 300, or I lost like 3k in this week in 3 days. Not good. So yeah, I do want to dump all of these. Only 3 positions right now: FNGR, APDN, and IMUX. I don't want any of them. Or if they would come down, that'd be nice. But they just keep on going up. So if they keep on going, I'm out. This is getting a bit too crazy right now. But yeah, that's my plays for today. Not good at all. So yeah, I'm getting wrecked this week. J Powell said F your calls and F your puts. Nobody's winning. What up, Justin? What's up? Biggest loss of my life on Clover. Nice tax write-off, though. Yeah, so a lot of people played Clover in this community, myself included. Luckily, I was able to escape for break-even. I think a few people actually made money. I think most people escaped. Some people lost money. But yeah, that one is crazy stock. Meme stock, Clover. So, sorry to hear that. I'm not sure how big it was, not going to ask. So sorry to hear that, but yes, the more you trade, you just learn there's ways to offset your losses. And this is why rich people don't take losses, because they have loopholes to write off your taxes and deduct your losses against your gains. So yes, when you guys have big losses, best thing to do is tax harvest from your gains. But you have to have gains for that to happen. But yes, for sure, tax write off, tax harvesting is the way to go when you take big losses. Time to switch to the bull side. Well, if you can, if you want. I personally never did well as a bull, so I'm gonna stay Rainbow Bear. But I'm rooting for everyone. Hope everyone makes tendies. Ken says I profit 100 from Clover. I should sell at 355 for 500 gain. At least you're still in the green. I could have went really bad. All right, guys. Let me check YouTube real quick. See where we're at. 12 viewers, 10 likes. Wow, so very popular show today. Definitely a lot of lurkers in here. So appreciate everyone, all the regulars, all the lurkers.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. All right, so let's look at AGFY for Swirls. So this is coming back down to 975 now. IMUX. What was the close? Close was like 10? What was the close? This is crazy. I don't even know what the close was. Looks like 10, around there. No, it was 968, 967. Wow. So this is above the close right now. Yeah, not good at all. Ouch. Alright, AGFY for Swirls. So I don't know why this is going up, but I did see this. Yeah, no reason why this is going up. No specific news. So RSI's at 67 right now. Looks like in the short term this could come back up to like 120, 122. Complete this cup, or maybe 173 complete this cup. But yeah, really no reason to justify this, just everything squeezing right now. So I think, yeah, there may be a bit more upside to go in the short term, possibly as high as 173. But I do believe this is due for some pullback. It's already pulling back in the aftermarket here, down to 90 cents. So, looking pretty bearish for tomorrow. So I hope that answers your question. Look at MMAT. MMAT almost destroyed by 1.5 covered calls. Yeah, they did go up today, especially MMTLP. So, when is your expiry for MMAT? I wouldn't worry about it. I'm pretty sure it'll expire below 150 by the time your expiration comes around. Unless it's like this week and it gets past there. Sorry, guys. I was feeling fine all day. But now, as soon as we start the show, now I'm coughing a lot. Let me mute real quick, blow my nose and take a drink. Alright, that's a little better. Just need to get through the show. Or it's time to get sick. Sorry, guys. Thanks for bearing with me. Alright, so let's do one more scan, and then we'll start with the watch list. You're sneezing? No, it's mostly coughing. Not really sneezing. Maybe it's like too hot in here. It's like dry and stuffy, but I don't open the window. It's too noisy. You got medicine for me to try? Chinese secret medicine snow? Hey, if it works. Pretty sure you're trolling, but if it works, I'd give it a try. Alright, so OGC, Oriental Culture Holding. That's mooting, don't know why. Not going for it, no news. Yeah, I don't really see much going on aftermarket. EVK. Alright, so still not seeing anything happening aftermarket. IMUX is holding 970. Looks like the crazy price action is done. So we'll come back to this. Oh man, guys. I cannot stop coughing. I don't know why. Alright. We just started, man. Can't even stop coughing. Alright. Let's do the watch list here. Alright. So the Dow Jones down 0.1%. The Nasdaq down 0.05%. And the S&P down 0.33%. Not good. So, yeah, crazy day. Like I said earlier, everything was in the green all day. 2:30 power hour. Major sell-off. And we finish in the red, so everyone getting wrecked. Bulls, Bears, everyone getting wrecked today. One second. My bad, guys. I apologize. This is going to be a struggle to get through today. You know what? This is what I'm going to do. Give me 1 second. I'm going to open the window and turn on the fan because it's a bit hot in here. It may get a bit noisy, but it's better than me just stopping every 5 minutes to cough. So, my apologies. Give me like 30 seconds to open the window and turn on the fan. Alright, guys. My bad. It does feel a little better. Got a nice little breeze in here now. I just hope it stays quiet, because the window is like wide open now, and you guys know that how the noise is. So hopefully, the people outside cooperate today. The cars and the people. Alright, my bad, guys. Let me check where we're at on YouTube. Probably people left because no one wants to see me coughing. Alright, still 7 people, so appreciate everyone who's still here and stuck around. I know it's a bit of a struggle. My apologies again for being sick.
I appreciate you.
Alright. See, all major indexes in the red here, but just barely. So slightly bearish day in the market today. Although it seems like everyone's getting wrecked. I definitely got wrecked today. You guys here, the community getting wrecked. Seems like the bulls are getting wrecked. So yeah, slightly bearish day, but it seems like everyone's losing money. Okay, let's run down the watch list. And I do hear a siren coming, and it's going to be louder than usual because the window is open. So, sorry guys, gonna talk over it. Alright, see what's going on. Wow, CRTD up 100%. What the hell happened there? I remember when we covered it, it was at like $9. Now it's at 9 cents. What a crazy stock. APDN, 36.5%. Clown on me for being in that and taking that loss today. These days says get better soon. Yeah, I appreciate that. It's weird because I felt a lot better today, but yeah, during the show I just non-stop coughing. But I think it was just really hot and stuffy in here. I'm feeling better now. Hopefully we can get through the show. And and it would help if I'm making some tendies. So yeah, being sick plus losing money this week, not good. All right. So, yeah, MMAT 33%. Surprising that didn't make StockTwits, but MMTLP did again. But yeah, that MMAT MMTLP running like crazy lately. And then we got, looks like the travel stocks going back up. Airlines, cruises. Got Norwegian and Carnival going up a lot here. Actually, Moderna. Yeah, Moderna, Roblox, Sundial, Novavax, Tilray. All going up, so a lot of growth and memes going up today. Lyft going back up. That got wrecked yesterday. Yeah, Lyft and Uber going back up. Those got wrecked yesterday. And DoorDash, Square, Bed Bath & Beyond. Pepsi went up 4.2%. Nice, 420. Don't know why, but big day there for Pepsi for a value stock. Yeah, there's DoorDash. Netflix, pretty big day, 3%. So I'm not seeing much value here. Here we go. Paramount, JP Morgan. Here's Wish, SoFi, Spotify, Shopify, meme index up 1.25%. Yeah, all the value is down here, around like 1.5 to 1.5% and lower. Yeah, we got Coke, Intel, Citi. A lot of value down here. PayPal, Starbucks, Discover, Amazon, Nike, Google, Exxon, Tesla, Chevron. So yeah, guys, seems like growth did pretty decently. Growth in memes, value not too much, but there are some stocks some value in the green here. So yeah, some stocks were bullish, but not too much. Check out the red side. So yeah, on the red side, so it does appear like there's more stocks in the red, but the price action wasn't too crazy. Yeah, so overall price action wasn't that bad today, but just More stocks in the red. So let's check out the red side. Not going to spend too much time here. What up, Nicole? And what up, Low Roller? What's up? Give you guys the what's up while I blow my nose here.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thank you guys for being here, as always. Don't mind me, just being sick and nasty. Alright, red side. So AVCT, 20.5%, which we'll discuss first today. First and only TA. A lot of these Chinese stocks pulling back. GCT, Starbucks, HKD. Clover's at 158 now, damn. Down 4.8. AMC pulling back. Honorable mention AMC, 4.4%. Lockheed Martin, 3.3. Wow. AMTD, CEI pulling back. Mullen pulling back. Costco, 1.2%. Got Meta, Nvidia, Verizon. Apple, American Express. So actually, today wasn't all so bad. Yeah, the indexes are actually pretty spot on. It seems like both the apes and the boomers should have lost a little money today. However, if you're a Rainbow Bear like me, you know, Rainbow Bears got wrecked. But if you did safe, responsible investing, conservative investing, yeah, both the apes and the boomers should have only lost a little money today. So let's give it a little go. And yeah, there's the siren. Extremely loud today because the window's open. Alright, guys. So yeah, the stock market today, slightly bearish. So, hope you guys did better than me. Kind of hard not to do. Kind of hard to do worse than me. Let's move on to some crypto now. Actually, let's do one more scan. Then let's go to crypto. Alright, so there's some stuff going on here. Why is DWAC going up? DWAC is going up. Google Play Store approval. CEMI. No news there. Alright, so I'll keep an eye on DWAC, but I don't think that's going to moon that high. Alright. Crypto time. 1 second as I pulled it up. And the news. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. Did you buy more Bitcoin option call options? No, and I didn't buy calls. I sold calls, and no, I didn't do them again because it just went down so low that it's not even worth it anymore. I was selling for 50k strike. Now I get what, $100 for selling 50k strike for a couple months out. It's not even worth it. Might as well just hold it. So no, I did not sell more calls. All right, let's get on to crypto here. And I do hear a siren in the background, so my apologies, guys. Gonna be pretty loud. Gonna talk over it. What up, Punk Skater? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. Step 1, get fired. Step 2, collect unemployment. Part 3, Part 4, profit. Did you actually get fired, dude? Or are you trolling? Well, can you get unemployment from getting fired? Well, yeah, you need to get fired, but it has to be like for a valid reason. It can't be because you effed up because you were being a bad employee. But yeah, there are a bunch of people that legit do that. That just like take part-time jobs and get fired and get employment, rinse and repeat. But I appreciate you, dude. Did you buy a McDonald's adult meal yet? People are fighting about adult meals. No, I didn't, and I don't plan to. Well, I haven't eaten McDonald's in like years, straight up. So, I mean, I wouldn't mind trying it, but I just don't go to McDonald's. All right, let's get to crypto. So here's crypto. That's up 0.3% today. I thought it was down, so nice little gain there. Oh, wrong button. My bad. Money. Let's check it out. But yeah, very slightly bullish day here. Just barely. So better than in the red, but it doesn't help much here. Let's check it out. So we got Bitcoin up 0.5%. Holding 19K. Ether up 1%, holding 1,300. Not much price action. XRP down 1.2. Cardano down 2.2. So Solana 0.5. Doge 0.3. Sheeb 0.85. I actually see more red than green here. This is interesting. But not much price action. Let's sort this out. You didn't get fired, fam? Not yet. Don't get fired, dude. But I could see you getting fired. And I'm like half joking here. But I can't see you getting fired for, hitting on your coworkers. Mr. Punksator, we're going to have to let you go. We've had several complaints about you looking at the booty around here. Alright, so let's see. Green side. Alright, so it looks like we'll call it 40% of the coins in the green here. Pretty close, but we'll call it 40% of the coins in the green. So it's kind of weird why the overall market's in the green. But yeah, let's check it out. So 2 coins in the double digits. Huobi, 24%, and that's up 60% for the week. And Terra, up 15%. Don't know why people are still crazy about Terra and Terra Classic. But yeah, those 2 major gainers. Then big drop off from there. And I don't actually see too much value on the green side. This is really weird. There's Leo and Ether and Uniswap. Alright, so there actually is value on the green side, but not much. And on the red side, and just a heads up, guys, I may have to go get some more water because I'm running really low here, and if I don't have water or a drink, I'm gonna start coughing again like crazy. All right, on the red side, so again, 60% of the coins in the red, and biggest loser is Terra Classic USD, 16%, but still up 54% for the week. But then, yeah, only coin in the double digits, then everything single digits after that. Decent amount of value here. There's Cardano and XRP. So it appears like more coins in the red, but more price action on the green side and more value on the green. So that would do it. And yeah, so slightly bullish day in the stock market, in the crypto market today. So overall, slightly bearish in the stock market. slightly bullish in the crypto market. So overall, actually today should have been pretty neutral, depending on what you're in. But yeah, so we could have went with the stock exchange, or Ramanistan today. But yeah, pretty neutral day. So I guess we'll just give that some applause. Excuse me, guys. I should be muting while I'm blowing my nose here. Must sound pretty disgusting. All right. All right. So let's move on to the news today. So once again, guys, I got 4 articles from myself. One about Mango hack. One about Coinbase and Singapore. One about the Fed minutes, and one about Treasury yields. And I think Low Roller has a few for us as well. Looking at IMUX. So it's holding 976. I just hope tomorrow this tanks. This is getting pretty ridiculous. All right. Do you think Kroger company will go bankrupt this year or next year since they can't find any employee if recession happen next year? Well, does he work? I don't know who he works for. If it's a small company, then yeah, it can. So, the Roller says Punxsutawney can collect food stamp and free Section 8. Not if he works too hard. More likely to get fired for customers. For hanging up on customers, but that's probably the second reason I get fired. Why work when you get a day trade all day, right? Yeah, well, not everyone's as fortunate. No, not everyone is lucky enough to day trade all day. And it's hard stuff, you gotta get good at this over years. But ideally, yes, everyone would like to day trade, so, I count my blessings every day that I am able to do this. Okay. Let's go through the articles today. It's 4:55, so we're a little bit behind today, but we did get started late here, and a lot of distractions with a lot of chatting, and me just, being sick and stuff. Alright, let's do it. First article, Mango hacker uses stolen funds to pit community against developers. The Mango market hacker is now using looted governance tokens to vote in the project's DEO about how to best resolve the hack. Alright, so I don't know when this was, but yeah, so I don't know what coin this is, but Mango Markets. So Mango Markets got hacked for $100 million. So that's not, as bad as some of the hacks we've seen for like 400, 600 million, but that's pretty bad. And so they took a vote on how they want to go about this hack, and the hacker voted. The hacker had pretty much the majority of the vote and casted approval of so he's going to return the funds. So they agreed on he's going to return the funds and keep a bunch of that for a bounty. Whole bunch of nothing here. So it doesn't say how much money he's going to keep. But probably like 10 to 20% is usually what the case is. So yeah, $100 million hack. Really disgusting. It looks like the funds are going to get returned, most of them. So I'm glad they worked it out. But this seems to be, a thing now. Hackers find an exploit, hack it. They collect the bounty. The funds get returned, collect the bounty. Business goes on. So, in the end, I don't think this is going to be that bad. But, yeah, these hacks are getting ridiculous. And these hackers are making a ton of money. So, it turned out decently, but I do hope the guy gets caught. So, another hack recently. Seems like every day is another hack. This one, Mango hack. Mango Markets, 100 million. All right, next one. Coinbase secures regulatory approval in Singapore. So no need to read this. Straightforward. Coinbase in Singapore now. So one of the biggest crypto exchanges in one of the biggest markets now. About time. So monopoly is getting bigger here. All right. Next article. Fed officials expect higher rates to stay in place. Meeting minutes shows. All right. So today was the Fed minutes. Tomorrow we're getting CPI numbers. And they didn't change anything. Same stuff. They're committed to fighting inflation until inflation comes down. They're going to keep raising interest rates until inflation comes down. It looks like a 0.75 percentage point hike is going to come next time around. That's pretty much it. So Fed minutes pretty much said nothing. Same stuff. So we'll see what tomorrow's CPI numbers look like. It's supposed to be pretty good, as in like inflation is supposed to start coming down a little bit, little by little. We should see an improvement, but I think it's going to be priced in, to be honest. It's going to be priced in, or it's going to be bad. I don't think it's going to be good. But yeah, Fed not changing their stance, and we'll see how tomorrow goes when the CPI comes out. All right, and last article from me. Treasury yields fall slightly as traders await Thursday's CPI report. All right, so the 2-year down 4.3%, and the 10-year down 4%. So the 1 and 2-year yields are still higher than the 10 and 30-year yields. So we still have an inverted yield curve. Due to interest rates getting jacked up. So this is not normal. Having a prolonged inverted yield curve. So yeah, the short-term bonds are pretty juicy right now, but due to inflation, I was going to say it's probably better to go for stock, but you never know. You still lose money in bonds, but you may lose more money in stock. So no one's really going for bonds right now. That's why the rates are so high. But yeah, this is not typical. But I expect these rates an inverted yield curve for as long as we keep jacking up the rates. All right, cool. So we got 3 from low roller. Let's pull those up real quick, and then we'll get to the TA on AVCT. So it's now 5:01. So we're a little bit behind, a few minutes behind. But not too bad. We're doing pretty good on time here. Don't know why it's taking so long to load. Should have loaded before. Alright, let's see what we got here. Dunkin' customers are breaking up with this revamped rewards program. It's not me, it's you. Okay, what'd you get? So we're not gonna read all this, but yeah, I guess it's not worth it anymore for the rewards program. I did hear about this. Imagine they did that to Starbucks. You know how many pissed off people would be? How pissed off people would be? How pissed off the white girls would be? So I guess Dunkin's being cheap here. Too many ads. That's why it's taking so long to load. Alright, so we already saw this one. Mango, $100 million hack. And, I hate loading these websites, all these damn ads. What's this one? Alex Jones ordered to pay $1 billion by Connecticut jury in Sandy Hook defamation case. How is he gonna pay $1 billion? Man, he's not worth $1 billion. So I think this is more of a political statement than anything. To send a message. How the hell is he gonna pay $1 billion? Excuse me, guys. I mean, so that's good. I'm not a big fan of this guy, Alex Jones, and I do think it's pretty messed up about what he said. But really? $1 billion? Alright. Cool. So go for Alex Jones. Alright, guys. So that's all the articles for today. Good stuff. Nothing too crazy. But some good minor news there. Let's do one more scan, and then we'll get to AVCT. I don't like reward points expire in 90 days. My 7-11 points expire this month. Yeah, that's how they get you. In the fine print, they just get you to spend more money and spend it faster. Kanye West listening to Alex Jones' show too. Does he really? I saw the Kanye interview with Tucker Carlson. That was pretty interesting. I might have to get up and go get more tissues and water soon. Running out of supplies up here. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna wait for this, you got C19? No, I don't. I got tested. No, I don't. Just a sore throat. Stuffy nose. So I'm gonna wait for the siren to pass. I did test, dude. I don't have it. And I was getting better. I don't know why during the show. I'm just getting really sick now. Anyway, so I'm gonna wait for the siren to pass. And we'll get started with AVCT here. Gonna do another scan, but I don't think there's anything going on. ANPC is actually mooning for no reason. Yeah, everything is like squeezing for no reason. ANPC going crazy. Alright. Yeah. Not much going on. There are some stocks that are going up, but nothing happening news-wise, so not going for anything. You might get monkeypox? I don't think so, dude. I don't play that way. Not that you need to play that way, but generally you do. And I don't play that way. So, I doubt it. I actually don't get sick either. I have a pretty strong immune system, so kind of surprised that I am sick. Alright, AVCT. So, this shouldn't take too long, guys. Try another set here. Maybe 20 minutes or so. Hopefully I don't get distracted too much. Should be pretty straightforward. Got my notes right here. Yeah, should be pretty straightforward. Should be bullish. And then, yep, and then we'll finish up with the Yolos. So it is now 5:07. So I said hour and a half to 2 hours. Probably not going to be done by 5:30, but yeah, we should be done by 6 o'clock. So let me see where we're at on YouTube. 8 viewers, 12 likes. So still a lot of people here. Appreciate everyone. Not many people are chatting anymore, but appreciate all the lurkers. I see you guys.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
And if If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Alright, so I just finished my juice. Have a little water left, but I'm out of tissues. So, hopefully we can get through the rest of the show without me having to get up and get more stuff, but we may have to do that. And of course, when we're gonna start, we got music blasting outside. And I also hear a siren. Never fails. So you know what? Actually, that was a good time to, I was gonna say that was a good time to go get some water and tissues. But the noise is going away. Alright. Actually, I do still hear the siren, but it sounds kind of far away. Let's check out the news here. So TD does not have all the news. Alright, so I'm gonna wait for this siren to pass, and then we'll get started with AVCT. Gonna meet real quick. Alright, sorry guys. I still hear the siren. That is a loud one, but maybe that's just because, like I said, the window is open today. And there's another one. Alright, so hopefully we don't get interrupted too much while we do the TIA here. So I'm trying to get to this as quick as possible. Once this one passes. Okay. Let's do it. So here is AVCT, American Virtual Cloud Technologies. This finishes at $1.34 today. This finishes at $1.34 today. That is down 20.47%.
And it's gone.
Damn trucks outside are so loud too. Okay. So we've analyzed this stock quite a few times recently. Starting back in September, when the company announced that they were looking to sell either part of all of their business, either part or all of their business. Very bullish PR. The stock squeezed. pulled back. But then about a month later, it started squeezing again. Due to more buyout rumors. If you guys recall, back then I did say it was probably a good time to sell. Because because the stock was likely going to pull back again, as with every short squeeze, as with every squeeze. And then we got the announcement of the reverse split. And then we got the announcement of a reverse split. And since then the stock is sold off pretty significantly, now at an all-time low. So I hope apes. So I hope you apes took your profits. And if not, that's unfortunate. But everything is a learning lesson. So next time around, when you're involved in a pump / squeeze, make sure you hit the sell button and secure the gains. So no company so there was a reason as to why we had so much negative price action today. We did have some news, so let's check that out. Okay. So we have some preliminary earnings. So for the quarter ending on September 30th, total revenue is predicted to be around $4.6 million, which I'm not sure if that's good or bad. But yeah, 4.6 million in revenue expected. And the company also said that they anticipate they will need additional capital to fund current operations. So yeah, I'm not sure if the I'm not sure if the preliminary earnings were good or bad, but the news of needing additional capital is definitely bearish. So the market did not like that. A lot of people selling here. A lot of apes, a lot of institutions selling here. And yeah, the stock got wrecked today. Very nasty. This stock was number 4 on StockTwits today. This was the major loser. Had over 3,200 mentions, so once again, we're going to analyze it. MMAT also had 2,100. Interesting. I did not know that. Let's look at MMAT after we're done with AVCT. I'm not going to do it with TA because I don't have it here, but that's worth taking a look at, MMAT. Alright, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and... Alright, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. Okay. So first of all, we have a cup and handle in the making. I can't really say where the bottom of the cup is because this is still making lower lows. But pretty soon this should start to bottom out, catch support, and reverse. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 310, 450, um, 590, yeah, 590, 690, or 780. It's too much noise outside. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where this has the potential to come all the way back up to the high of and longer term, this has the potential. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where this has the potential to come all the way back up to the high of 47. Although I do believe the most realistic tops would be what is it? 290 or 310 or 450. Forgot what I said. But those are all bullish indicators that is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. We also have an inverse head and shoulders forming. Back at around 220 was where the first shoulder was. The head is now forming. And after the head forms, the second shoulder should form. And from there, the stock should break out to the upside. So the inverse head and shoulders is currently a bullish indicator. Okay, quadruple gap down. Let me see here. Man, IMUX is not letting up. Okay. And then we have a triple gap down. First gap down was created today, back at 165. So that's a bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 165. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 165 to fill that gap. Second gap down was back at 215. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 215 to fill this gap. Third gap down was back at 395. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 395 to fill this gap. Actually, I think that was it. Oh. And the fourth gap down was back at 850. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 850 to fill this gap. It appears like the first 3 gaps should fill in the short term, and the 4th gap should fill in the longer term. Okay. RSI and MACD. I guess we'll do the channel first. Here we have a descending channel. Okay. Here we have a descending channel forming, where the upper channel is around 140, and the lower channel is around 55 cents. So if this breaks 140 to the upside, that'd be bullish, and if this breaks 55 cents to the downside, that'd be bearish. So the descending channel is currently a neutral indicator, but it may go bullish very soon. Okay. Oops. Move my head here. The RSI, the relative strength index, is currently at 35, so not quite oversold and undervalued, but quickly approaching that, definitely below average. So the RSI is a bullish indicator. So that's a bullish indicator. So the RSI is currently a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the current price of 134 should be a lot higher. And on the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD line is below the signal line and is pulling away. So that's a bearish indicator that is telling us that it may be time to sell. Okay. Pretty sure I got everything there. Let me double check. Yep, it appears so. Are you adding super thanks? Yeah, I have supers enabled. Just, I've only gotten a few super chats, never super thanks. But it's okay, you know, most of my money comes from trading, not YouTube. Okay. Blow my nose real quick again, one more time. All right. Probably draw one more here. I don't see your YouTube thanks in your YouTube title in your video. Why does it need to be in the title, dude? It's enabled. All right. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. All right, I guess we'll just go up to 3. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 175 and 125. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 175, 195, 205, 210, 225, 240, 250, 260, 275, 285, and then $3. I guess we'll go to 4. $3, 310, 330, 345, 355, 375, 395, and then 410. There is resistance above 410, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next level of support would be 125. 125 is the all-time low, so no support below that. That would be uncharted territory. So right now with the current price, 134, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 195 to the upside, the channel starts to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 195 to the upside. And this did 5 million in volume today. 5 million in volume today, way above the average of 1.2 million. So the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. And I'll just mention this just in case. And in the aftermarket here, this is running up to 137. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bullish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow this stock will run to the upside. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. Let's see here. So the past month and a half has been absolutely nuts, has been absolutely crazy for this stock. It squeezed twice, and now it's at an all-time low. So like I said earlier, every meme stock, every squeeze eventually ends up giving back all the gains. So I hope Apes took your profits. And if not, next time you'll be better. And if not, you'll be better prepared for next time. So at this point, we're at an all-time low. But now appears to be a good time to buy the dip. Great. We're doing so good. We're doing so good with the sirens. Now we get one coming. Alright, gotta mute real quick, guys. My apologies while this passes. My bad, guys. Just got up real quick to get some tissues. I mean, it's still in the background anyway. So I got a little water left. Hopefully this lasts. All right. Um. All right. Let's continue. Still hear the siren. That's crazy. Okay. Let's continue. Again, we have way more bullish indicators than bearish indicators right now. We have bullish indicators in the cup and handle, inverse head and shoulders, quadruple gap down. Um, this is insane. It's another siren. It is. I see it. Ugh. One more time, guys. My apologies. Back-to-back sirens. This is unbelievable. My apologies, guys. Yeah, so a lot of sirens today, and it's really loud because the window's open. I wish I could have closed it, but it's really stuffy in here, and I can't stop coughing. So yeah, a lot of distractions today, guys. My apologies, but I thank you guys a lot for sticking with me here. All right, let's continue. Again, we have bullish indicators in the cup and handle, inverse head and shoulders, quadruple gap down, aftermarket action, and low RSI. We have one bearish indicator in the MACD, and one neutral indicator in the descending channel, which very well could go bullish, which could go bullish very soon. So technically, based on the charts, the stock does look pretty bullish in the short and long terms. There probably is a bit more downside to go here, because this still appears to be a falling knife. Hasn't caught support just yet, but pretty soon here this should start to bottom out, catch support, and reverse. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. Seems like a pretty good play to me. The current price of 134 isn't exactly an excellent entry, but definitely an above average entry here. Almost oversold, undervalued, near the all-time low. So you really can't go too wrong buying it at the current price. Again, in the short term, this may come back up to 395 to fill the gap there. And from the current price of 134, let's see. That would be about a 195% upside potential. So massive upside potential here in the short term. And I can't say how low this is gonna go. Again, because we are because we are now in uncharted territory. But this really shouldn't go too much lower. This has already gotten beaten down very significantly, and now at the all-time low. So I would say going long at the current price, 134, would be a low risk, very high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. Again, oh my god. Again, this will probably pull back a little bit more in the short term, but whether you decide to go short, whether you decide to go long now or hold off for a better price, taking a long position should pay off pretty big in the longer term. Should pay off pretty big in the short and long terms. So I can't support going long at the current price, 134. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. For the same reasons that going long is a good play right now, going short is a really bad play. Again, way more bullish indicators than bearish indicators. Oversold, undervalued, all-time low. Again, in the short term, this may come back up to 395, which would be about a 195% upside potential. And again, this really shouldn't go too much further. And again, this really shouldn't go too much lower in the short term. So I would say going short at the current price, 134, would be a very high risk, low reward play. Not worth it in my opinion. You should have went short anywhere in the $7 range all the way down to the $2 range. And here at 134, it's a bit too late to go short. You missed your chance, and going short now would probably result in you getting burned. So if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk, but I really don't see why you would go short here. Seems like a really bad idea. So I don't like the current entry of 134 on the short side, but I will say, if/when this does come back up to at least 395 to fill the gap. But I will say, if/when this does come back up to 395 to fill the gap, then I think that would be an excellent entry. To start shorting this down. But yeah, in summary, going long appears to be a really good play, and going short appears to be a really bad play right now. As a wise man once said, buy the effing dip. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today, but this could be a good buying opportunity. Not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is AVCT, American Virtual Cloud Technologies. Alright, that wasn't too bad. Took a bit longer than I expected. A lot of interruptions. But thank you guys for bearing with me. Let's look at MMAT real quick, actually. Wow. Huh. Looks like a double gap up. Yeah, this is a double gap up. Overbought, overvalued right now. So I'd probably look to sell pretty soon if I was an ape. It's actually above $1 again. Isn't that crazy? MMAT is above $1. I never see the day. Never thought I'd see the day. But yeah, it looks pretty, starting to look pretty bullish. So I dumped this and MMTLP. Damn. Wow, what a runner. Yep, both really hot stocks right now. Should probably dump. Not financial advice. All right, let's do one more quick scan before we get on to the Yolos. So yeah, we should be done in 15 minutes. Get out of here by 6 o'clock. Uh-oh. IMUX over $10 now and holding. That is really, really not good. Really, really, really not good. I don't know. Looks like this may have to be a cut. I do not like this one bit. Alright. See if there's anything happening after market. But I'm still not seeing much. Yep, nothing. It says PHCF. Yep, nothing going on here. Alright, guys. Oops. So give me 1 second. Let me check YouTube, see where we're at, and let me pull up the Yolos. Alright, so now we're down to 3 viewers. Went from 8 to 3, so, most people left. To be expected. But I appreciate everyone who's still here. You guys, the real ones.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
And if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Alright, so give me a second. Let me pull up the Yolos, and let's finish up the show here. Alright, so loading up now. Give that another minute to finish loading. And we'll get started with the Yolos here. Damn, I drank so much water during a live show today because I kept coughing so much. Now I need to use the bathroom real bad. Alright, almost done loading. So I guess I'll just blow my nose in. We'll get started here. Alright, all good to go. Ken says he's still an MMAT. Yeah, it's pretty rough, dude. I don't know if you're ever going to get your money back, but at least you might get it back on MMTLP. And not financial advice, but, you know, if I were in that stock, I'd probably dump right now. Alright. Cool. Alright, let's do it, guys. So today, this should be fun. We have 9 Yolos. Mostly lost corner, I think. I think mostly memes and Lost Chord. So this shouldn't take too long. This should be fun. Let's do it, guys. First one by 1CU. SEC. How do I report an entire country for insider trading? So actually, we don't have Jim Cramer memes today. that's a first. But yeah. So, but we do have a lot of memes on the Bank of England here. So Andrew Bailey, which is like their version of J Powell, rules out extending Bank of England intervention. So yeah, their country is so this is what crashed the market yesterday during Power Hour. The UK Fed said they're not going to bail out the country anymore. But now they flip-flopped. Bank of England signals to lenders it is prepared to prolong bond purchases. So which one is it? You're not going to extend, or you're going to prolong bond purchases? Bruh.
Bruh.
So literally, he is like J Powell. You never know when to believe him. Sometimes he's telling the truth, sometimes he's total BS. So, you know, we don't really follow what's going on in Europe and the UK in this show, but I think they're going through it. They're going through a lot of tough stuff right now. So, we're rooting for them. But we're not done just yet. By Desmond Miles Dent. Quit flip-flopping, Bailey. So, we will continue to slaughter bulls and bears until we fix the UK economy. Yep, sounding just like J Powell. F your calls and F your puts. So now the UK knows what it feels like. Actually, they're in a deeper hole than us in terms of inflation. All right, by Old Farmy, UK boomers right now. So after working for 40 years, our £1,000,000 pension can now afford us a can of soup a day? Bruh.
Bruh.
Well, yeah, you know, after inflation, and after you lose all your money in the market, yeah, now is not the time to retire. So it's a bit exaggerated. Probably can afford more than a can of soup a day, maybe 2 or 3 cans of soup a day. But yeah, it's pretty rough. So I do feel for the UK boomers and just everyone trying to retire right now in every country. It's not a good time to retire. What up, PZ? What's up? Kroger guy super fan still here? Yeah. I could care less about the Kroger guy. I feel you, dude. All right, last meme by Kaya Bunga. Bring back the bull market, please. So here's our favorite character, one of my inspirations, the man himself, the legend, DJ Khaled. You know, I got the memes right here.
I appreciate you.
All of them, actually.
Another one. Buy your mama a house. Put this money in your savings account.
Yep, our favorite character, our favorite meme. So, bull market, it was all good. Looking good. Looking fly, fresh haircut, fade, lineup, everything, beard. And, yeah, it's been pretty rough, huh? Haven't heard... Actually, DJ Khaled hasn't made music in a while. A couple of years, probably. And now he's a family and everything, so it looks like he's balding. Getting gray. Not maintaining himself right. So, yep, be like that. From this, now everyone's looking homeless. Working behind Wendy's. Damn, Khaled. Gotta do something about this. Get back in shape. Go back to the barber. Get that enhancement. Alright, 1 second to blow my nose, and we'll finish up here. 5 more left. Oh, I was on mute. My bad, guys. All right, next one. I was just saying IMUX is going pretty nuts here. It's at 134 now, so I don't know. Tomorrow may be a cut. It's not looking good at all. This is really bad. But we'll keep an eye on that. All right, next one by CoGamer01. Can't read this. Jack to the... Read it yourself. Don't want to get banned here. All right, let's check it out. Okay. So, looks like we got a Super FD here. Well, Super FD and regular FD. So, yeah, this guy's loaded up on puts. So, 364 strike. 12 puts expires Friday. Super FD, so 10K YOLO. Yeah, 10K YOLO. What's SPY at right now? 356. So this is actually in the money. This is in the money. So, yeah, this is a good strike, bad expiration, and we'll see what the timing is. But so this isn't like a total super FD, but like not super FD, but yeah, pretty much still a super FD. But as long as it finishes under 364, you should be okay. So I'm not the biggest fan of this play, but it is a lot safer than your usual Wall Street Bet FD play. So I guess I could support it. I just hope it really doesn't go above. I just hope it doesn't go above 364. That's the worst thing that can happen. And then here we got 350 puts. 8 of them expires December 30th. So these are okay. Got 2 months to go here. 2.5 months to go. So these are cool right now. So this isn't too bad. All in all, relatively safe plays. But still kind of risky. So in total, about a 22K YOLO. Good luck to you, dude. Hope it works out. You should be okay. But too risky for my liking. But yeah, hope it works out, dude. Good luck. And please post updates. I don't recommend you guys do this, but it's not the worst thing in the world. Alright, next one by Kato1220. A true comeback story. Swung 40K in calls, woke up negative 23K, earned it all back on momentum plays. Oh, God. Alright. So this guy just went straight up SPX day trading. Yep, SPX day trading. So we can't really see everything here. But he said... So he said it was down 23K, and now he's break even? He's actually up 9K, it says here. So I guess he was down 23K, now he's up 9K. Holy crap. So I don't really recommend you guys do this. This is an emotional roller coaster. I'm glad it worked out for him. But this could have went really bad. And the more you do this, you're likely going to blow up your account. So I'm glad you got lucky this time, but I'd recommend not doing this in the future, dude. And even, and why would you want to stress yourself out like this? This is crazy. So, yeah, don't recommend you guys do this, but epic trading, epic lost corn and gain corn, I guess, both. So, Kato1220, thanks for posting. Good luck to you. Congrats on your gains. Small gain, but, you know, 9K gain better than 40K loss. Good luck to you. And yeah, dude, my only recommendation is chill out in the future. Because you got lucky here. Next time you may not be so lucky. Alright. I do hear a fire truck. Hear ambulance and a fire truck in the back. So, I'm going to talk over it. My apologies, guys. This one by Horse25555. SPY puts. Alright, so I don't know what the exact plays were. But in the past month, he took 1K and ran it up to almost 20K. 1,700% gain in the past month. Absolutely nuts. Wow, that is loud outside. So yeah, this has to be FDs, like over and over and over again, just FD after FD after FD, and I'm just assuming he got extremely lucky. This is not typical, guys. Do not expect to run 1K to 20K in 1 month. This is absolutely nuts. Straight up luck, straight up luck. So I'm glad it worked out so far, but chill out, dude. You keep doing this, it will go to zero. You will blow up your account. I promise you that. So don't know what the plays were. Obviously very dangerous. Don't do this, guys. Glad it worked out. Congrats on your gains. And just chill out in the future. Before you chuck everything back. Alright, 2 more. Alright, this one got deleted. The post got deleted. But, this is from 1 year ago. Intel YOLO 2023 leaps. So, January 2023, $55 Intel calls, 1,100 of them. $726,000 YOLO.
Bruh.
And what is Intel at now? I don't even want to know. Intel is at 25. 25.
And it's gone.
I think we can actually check how much the call is worth now. There's not even a 55 strike, bro. Oh, this is Tesla. That's why. Alright, 55 strike, worth $3. Alright, so this was worth 725K. Now it's worth a whole 3,300 bucks.
And it's gone.
Yeah, ouch, ouch. So that is how you blow up your account. That's how you blow up your future wealth, your wealth for yourself, for your family, generations to come. Yeah, guys, don't do this. I don't care how rich you are, unless you're like a multi-millionaire. Don't do this. So big bet went extremely wrong, and that's the risk you run, even with leaps, guys. So I always say if you guys are gonna buy options, buy leaps. But as you can see, even if you do buy leaps, if you're in a bear market, you know, it can go really wrong. So epic lost corn here. That's how you blow up 725K. So I can't give credit here, but damn, dude, RIP to your portfolio. All right, last one by Secretary Nearby 903. Need reassurance, it's going to be okay. All right, so this ain't too bad. All time, this guy blew up his account down 8,700 bucks. So Robinhood, huh? First time. So this was definitely FD YOLOs or meme stocks, margin, or both. Looks like FD YOLOs. We have Tesla calls here. So you'll be alright, dude. You know, 9K, 8,700, not the worst thing in the world. Maybe to you it is, but it's really not too bad. You'll be alright. You'll make it back. And, yeah, whatever you did, just stop doing that and just invest yourself. So, you'll be alright, dude. Not a lot of money in the long term, in the grand scheme of things. Hope you learn your lesson. You know, come back next time, do it the right way. Not this stupid ape FD way. So, sorry for your loss, but you'll be good, dude. Thanks for posting. Alright, guys, it is now 6:03, so, finished right on time. Running a little bit late here. That's alright. So, last order of business. Let's do one more quick scan, and let's get out of here. But I'm not seeing anything going on. Yep, not seeing anything here. Actually, we got something. CPHI. No news. Never mind. Alright, well, other than that, then I'm not seeing much. So, no aftermarket action. So, a pretty bad day today for everyone. Bears, Bulls. Bad week, really, for everyone. Especially myself. So, hopefully tomorrow is better. I've been saying that the past 2 days, but no, actually, hopefully tomorrow is better. Because I really can't take this anymore. This is really disgusting. So, alright, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Good stuff. Good show. Not much content to go over. We had a couple articles. TA shouldn't have taken that long. But it did, and not too many Yolos. So, not too much content, but really good show. A lot of chatting today. A lot of interruptions, too. Hope you guys enjoyed. My bad for getting started late and being sick. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the show. I'll work on the video, the short video and the long video here. And I'll put that out either tonight or tomorrow. And I catch you guys on Discord, and I catch you guys back here tomorrow. Alright. Just blow my nose one more time. Ugh. Alright, guys, so do me a favor before we get out of here. Smash the like button. Please, thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let's get out of here. Alright. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.